Hey guys, are you looking for a hair mask to detox and soften your hair? In today's video, we're going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Heat Activated Mask. This mask promises to remove impurities and buildup on the hair. It has shea butter which replenishes the moisture while strengthening the hair and leaving your hair soft and hydrated. Although this is a mask for the natural hair, I am going to be trying it out on my relaxed hair. I've been rocking a protective style for about 3 months now, and I'm going to be softening up as well as to detox my scalp. So if you guys want to see how well this product works, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get rid of my protective hairstyle like this. Okay, you guys, so now that I have taken out my braids, this is what my hair is looking like, a really cute twist out. So the first thing that I'm encouraging you to do whenever you have a protective style like this is make sure when you are detangling, you're detangling your hair in sections like so. I am using a mixture conditioner with aloe vera and so forth in this bottle. If you guys would like to see how I make my conditioner mix, then just comment below make the conditioner. So one of the things that I like to do when I spray it is use my hands to know how much or if the section that I'm working on is completely saturated. Now using my fingers will let me know how much to add and how much not to add. I am not trying to wet the hair completely because that can cause tangle and then that can cause breakage when the hair becomes super wet to detangle the hair. So that's a very good tip that I want to leave with you, that you don't saturate it to a point where it starts breaking off when you're trying to detangle your hair with a comb. Let your hands be your guide to know how much to add on each section and make sure you're going section by section. So this is the amount of hair I lost during that detangling process. And now I'm completely finished with the detangling process. I'm going to be washing my hair with the African Pride Moisture Miracle conditioner and shampoo. A tip that I have for you when you're washing your hair is making sure that you saturate the hair first. I already have a video on how I wash my hair to avoid tangles and breakage. You guys can check that out in the cards above. Now notice how I am holding the hair in order to avoid my hair tangling up and all that stuff. So what I do is make sure that when you are washing your hair in your tub like I'm doing, don't bring forward your hair like most people do because it becomes very difficult to detangle. Just part your hair in two and make sure that you're doing it like this in the tub. So this is a tip that I have for you. Separate your hair into two sections when you're washing your hair in the tub like so, and it will be easier for you. So what I did was went on to wash my hair a second time because I had my braids in for 3 months. I got a really good lather. However, the conditioner is super brown and messy. I honestly don't like the conditioner. However, when I added the conditioner to the section, it was not soft at all. It was kind of feeling rough and dry on this section. I am pressing the conditioner into the hair, making sure it's well distributed. However, it has this stiff feeling. It's super messy with this conditioner, and this is how the tub looks while I'm washing out. So now that I'm finished, I'm going to be trying out the conditioner, which is super thick. I'm going to be adding it in section by section, making sure to press it down into the hair so that all the strands of the hair gets the mask. So that is another tip that I have for you guys. Whenever you are applying your conditioner or your mask like this, after washing your hair, I encourage you to apply it, try to apply it section by section. One of the things I like about the mask is that it's thick. So for my new growth, it can really help to not only detoxify or clean or remove the buildup, but it really helps to soften the new growth. Okay, so while I'm applying it to my hair, that rough feeling is disappearing. So I guess you have to work with the what you have in order to get that feeling. So you work with the shampoo and conditioner, and I guess those work together. So my hair is now becoming soft as I apply the conditioner. If you guys have tried this heat activated mask by African Pride, please let me know in the comments section. Okay, so now that I've applied it in both sides, I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair with the Tiara shower cap and the deep conditioning cap. This acts as two in one. I really love this deep conditioning cap because it does not require me to put it in the microwave, and it works by body heat. Okay, so now that I left that on for 25 minutes, my hair still felt stiff. While I was detangling my hair, as you can see, I had trouble detangling the new growth. It became super stiff and hard. My hair became hard, and I just didn't like the feeling that this gave me. So I don't think this is something that I can use on my relaxed hair. It's probably better for the natural hair community. However, I'm still struggling with a lot of shedding. Very soon, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on what is happening with the shedding. I decided to put in my flexi rods, and this is the finished look. I did a center part, very simple and super curly after 3 months. If this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.